welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to everyone. 2022. This is gonna be my first video of the year, so I'm super excited. I should have gotten it up a couple of days ago, but I was having issues with like my Ipsy boxes and stuff. I do have great news. I was accepted into the Ipsy Open Studios program, so they did send me a box. And it's basically like spoilers, so I get to see beforehand what are some of the items that you can get. As you know, I've been with them for many years, and I started off with their like regular Glam Bag, which is like the $10 one, which is like the deluxe sizes, and then the now I get the regular size one, which is every month, and then every 3 months it's like the big box. So they do have different bags and boxes. Obviously, you know, for what you need or from what you want. Like I said, with all these boxes, my makeup collection has grown so much, which is incredible. Not only my makeup collection, skincare, like brushes, tools, like literally anything that you can think of. So I'm super excited that I get to get, you know, these boxes and see the spoilers and like the extra things that we're able to get. So like I said, it looks like this. So this is apart from me receiving like my membership, which I'm still on my membership. And I do get my regular box like monthly, and then every 3 months I get like the big size one. So then this is just to show you what they sent me. In this bag, everything came out loose in the box, so I had to kind of guess what went in each bag. So I got the mini one, which is the little bag, and then I got the pouch, which is the one that I regularly get every month. And then this is gonna be January 2022, this month, and your make time for the things that make you smile. So it's like their little card that we always get. And sorry guys, I don't have any nails on. I'm letting them breathe for a while. And it's Ipsy Open Studios, and it gives like all the information. So guys, you have no idea, I am so beyond excited to be able to see the spoilers and, you know, get the stuff and play around with it. So I'm gonna start with the little bag. And then in here, like I said, sometimes you do receive, you know, like deluxe. It just depends. And hopefully I got these right. Like I said, these are just spoilers. First thing I see is the Shayna B. I've gotten a few of these, if you remember from like my past videos. And this is an eyeshadow duo. It says Pressed Pigment, Venetian Gray, and Queen of Diamonds. Gorgeous gray shade like it says, and then a beautiful like metallic. Oh wow, whoa, very. So it feels kind of like wet. That's crazy. That's beautiful guys, and super pigmented. This would be like a beautiful shade for like date night or to go out at night. Guys, you can see that's crazy. So yes, like I said, that is gorgeous. So I will be playing around with those. And then I see a Do Tube. And then, what is it? Oh, it's a hydrating lip gloss. And it looks like that. So you are able to rip off the little thing on the side. And then you can open it like that. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I love the little like packaging. It's like iridescent, like opal, and then it's like round at the bottom, and then it just says the Do Tube, and in the color champagne. So it's right there. All right, it doesn't smell like anything. So basically it's like a clear gloss with like shimmer in it, like gold. I don't know if you can see it literally right here. But yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. Let me go ahead and put some on. Really pretty. It feels really nice on the skin, guys. All right, so like I was saying, I got the Professional. This is the face primer. All right, so I took it out of the box. So it's by Benefit. It's a mini size. It's a 3 milliliters. And then just gonna put some, I think it's like a silicone, yeah. So it's super lightweight, feels really nice on the skin, really good for the pores, as it's called the Professional. All right, next item I got was the Ico London. It comes in this beautiful blue packaging. It's the Black Magic Cocoa Edit Liquid Eyeliner in brown, an intense color. So it's like that. And it has like the brown shade right there. And it's a pencil. Wow, that's beautiful. Right there, pencil liner. I really like this because I'm always using like black. So to be able to use, you know, brown, change it up a little bit if you don't want to go like too dark. Really pretty. I do have a black one from this brand as well, and it's really good. So the next item I have is a Lasting Smiles Polish Exfoliant Lip Scrub, and it looks like that. Really pretty packaging, very nice size as well. So like it says, it's a lip scrub, so it comes with a little thing that you have to pull off. And it smells, what does it smell like? It smells like clean. It smells really good actually. So like it says, it's a scrub, so you can feel like the little sugar pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. This is awesome because you can literally throw it in your purse or take it to travel. Really decent size. So these are all the things that were in here in the little pouch. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put everything back in there. And then we're gonna move on to the drawstring bag, which are, these are the like regular normal sizes that I get. All right, so the first thing that I see is the Kimchi Cheek Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. Guys, I get so many setting sprays in my bags that I'm always like giving them in like giveaways or like to friends and family because it's so many. This is the cutest packaging I have ever seen. I love like the pastel green with the pink. Really pretty. So it's a proof matte setting spray, shake well before use. So we're gonna go ahead. I didn't even put, I have like very minimal makeup. If you're wondering, on my cheeks, I use the Physicians Formula Butter Buddies blush in Rosy. And then I use a little bit of their banana powder. Guys, it smells so good. And they're like beautiful. And then this is the illuminating powder. So I just put that a little bit on my cheeks. And then I did not use any powder, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. I love the mist. All right, the next thing I see, which I'm not sure if it came in the drawstring bag or in the pouch, it is a lip sleeping mask from Honey Jarrett Lemon Honey, and this is like a sample size. So it comes in this little like tube thing, and it looks like that. So it's like a little sleeping mask, which is nice to just put in your nightstand. Just keep it there. Feels really nice. Super moisturizing. Feels like literally like butter. I don't know if you can see. Whatever. It does have like a little hint of the lemon honey. So that's really nice. And then I got a brush. And this is the Hip Dot Precise brush. It has the black. And then with like the rose gold, I don't know if you can see, it goes from like the black to the rose gold. And it's another brush that I have from my collection. I love these. You can never go wrong with those. All right, and the next thing we got is the Koa Life Miss Me Rejuvenating Toner. It looks like that. And then it improves the appearance of skin tone, reduces the visibility of aging, nourishes and calms the skin, and it tones, firms, and strength. So you shake well, and then you spray it and repeat as needed. I have gotten other things from this brand as well. Oh, nice glass packaging, clear with a spritz and in white. I mean, I don't know if it smells like anything. Very nice spray. I don't feel like it smells like anything. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my bathroom, like where I have all my skincare. Let me know if you guys wanna see an updated like skincare like collection, or like what I use for my skin, because I do change it up. And then what else? And then this is the Rose and Quartz hair mask, mascarilla para el cabello, so basically for your hair. And then Love Unconditionally. It looks like that, comes in a little pouch. So you literally twist the cap off and then you can just use it as you need it. And then it says to leave it 2 to 5 minutes. Yep, so that's how it looks. So basically those are all the items that I got for both for the Glam Bag, which it comes with a little pouch. It always comes with a little pouch. And then the bigger size comes with a little drawstring bag. This one has a little smiley face, tie-dye. I love these guys. Like I said, if you can see how much makeup, how much skincare I have in here. I really enjoy these boxes, so I will be linking Ipsy down below. Like I said, or I ask in all of my other videos, let me know if you've tried Ipsy, if you're thinking about it, what do you like most about it, or comments and feedback. I really love my bags. Like literally I have things. I have like this one's gonna be for a giveaway, and I have stuff in like a box for giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And let me know how was your holidays, what do you have planned for the new year. And yeah, so I'm glad that I was able to get my hands on these and show you guys some spoilers. Thank you very much for watching and always you know, commenting on my videos. And I missed you guys a lot. I really did, but I needed a little break, and the holidays were kind of crazy. So I'm very happy to be back, and then, you know, having something so special like being able to review and getting spoilers from Ipsy. So thank you so much. Thank you, Ipsy. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.